Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Japanese tech giant company Sony has some surprises in store for professional photographers. According to the latest news, Sony confirmed the Xperia 1 Mark-8 presentation launch date, details about the flagship, and the new A7r VI camera setup. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Sony has officially confirmed the date of its next major event. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark-8 unveiling will take place in a few weeks. The event's tagline: "When perfection comes full circle, it's time for the next one," hints at a new chapter in the brand's mobile lineup. Event overview and key announcements. The flagship Xperia 1 Mark-8 smartphone will be the star of the presentation. However, the Japanese tech giant has some surprises in store for professional photographers as well. The smartphone is expected to be accompanied by the announcement of the new Sony A7r VI high-resolution full-frame camera and a specialized 100-400mm f4.5 GM telephoto lens. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark-8 unveiling will take place on May 13, 2026 at 11 a.m. Japan time. New Sony Xperia 1 key specifications. The new Xperia 1 Mark-8 is expected to bring long-awaited design changes. The device will feature a square camera module, replacing the vertical stripe. The dimensions will also change. The new model will be slightly wider and thicker than its predecessor, which could indicate an improved cooling system or a larger battery. One of the key features will be a 2-day battery life mode. Cameras and photo capabilities. The camera system will traditionally remain a strong point of Sony's flagship. According to leaks, the configuration will include a main 24mm wide-angle module, a 16mm ultra-wide-angle camera, and a new periscope telephoto lens, with sensor sizes ranging from 1 by 3.0 inches to 1 by 2.0 inches. This upgrade to the telephoto lens sensor will significantly improve zoom performance, especially in low-light conditions. The new Sony Xperia 1 Mark-8 will be priced up to $2,000. Based on preliminary listings, the new Sony Xperia 1 is scheduled to ship on June 26. However, it's worth waiting for the official presentation, where both the final specifications and prices will be announced. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.